Hi all, this video explains you on how to automate Android application using Appium. Here I am going to use C# language for scripting. Before going through this video, there is another video which is a prerequisite which helps you to install all the softwares and to set some configuration settings. Coming to actual scripting, I'm creating a new project, new unit test project under C# test. As I already mentioned, I'm going to script using C# language, so I have selected unit test project under C# test, and I'm giving the project name as mobile testing, and you can browse the location where your project want to sit. Click on OK. My project has been created, and there are some references needs to add to my project. Right click on the project, manage NuGet packages, select manage NuGet packages and search for Appium. Install Appium WebDriver. Yes, Appium WebDriver is installed. In the same way, add selenium components to your project. First one is selenium WebDriver, second one is selenium WebDriver support classes, and third one is WebDriver backed selenium. Close.
Here, there are some references added like Appium.NET Driver, Selenium WebDriver backed Selenium, WebDriver.support. Now I need to add some namespaces like OpenQA.Selenium, OpenQA.Selenium.support.ui, OpenQA.Selenium.remote, OpenQA.Selenium.Appium, and finally OpenQA.Selenium.Appium.Android. I think these 5 namespaces are enough for today's scripting, and my first step is I need to create a local variable for Appium driver. Appium driver, Appium web element equals element is driver. I created a local variable called driver of this Appium driver. Now I need to set some desired capabilities. There is a class called desired capabilities, and I'm creating an object for desired capabilities. And I need to set capability for that object. My first capability is device name. I'm giving the device name as test. In the same way, platform version. Platform version I'm giving as 5.1, as my mobile version is 5.1. In the same way, platform name as Android, as my mobile is Android mobile. In the same way, app package is com.goibibo, In the same way, app activity is splash screen. I have set all the capabilities. I already explained in my previous video on how to get app package and app activity information for an application. Here I am using Goibibo application for my testing. So my app package is com.goibibo for Goibibo and app activity is .goibibo splash screen for my Goibibo app. This I already explained in my previous video on how to get this information. You can watch that video. And my next step is I need to assign the server information of Appium to my local driver. To do that one, driver equal to new Android driver Appium web element new URI. Here you need to pass the server information. As I am familiar with the server information, I am directly typing the information. If you want to get that server information, you can go to Appium server and click on settings. You can get the server address and port information. 0.1 4723 /wd /hub, and my second parameter should be capabilities. Now Goibibo app will open. After opening Goibibo app, I need to click on hotels. So just click on hotel and get the resource ID driver dot find element. This is the code which I am writing to click on that control using ID. Okay. In the same way, after clicking on hotels, I need to click on search. So get that ID driver dot find element by ID. Put that ID here dot click. These are all C# coding which you have to know. I already posted videos on how to get the ID and find what is the find element and what is its driver, all this information. You can watch those videos. Yes, now my scripting has been completed. My application, Goibibo application will launch. It will click on hotels icon and it will click on search hotels.
Now I'm executing the test case. For that, go to Appium and click this option and come to that particular test case and execute. After executing the test case, in my mobile, Goibibo application will be launched, hotels will be clicked, and finally search button will be clicked. That's it. Thanks.